As you guys can see, top of the screen, I have my stream account. And whenever I see this, what's this, dude? It's actually bothering me in all sort of ways. Whenever I open the Steam, my eyes always going to the top. Every time I look at it, it bothers me. Well, today it's going to be the end of the sense. I really don't like it. So let me show you guys what I did to remove that thing. We need a way to round this thing, but in order to add the funds to my account, it's actually asking me like a lot of money. In my country, there are some services to buy stream gift cards. I can even buy a gift card for 100 rupees, which is way cheaper than adding the stream ballot funds. So I'm going to claim my gift card here, so I may have some amount to round it up. I already have a lot of games, but I decided maybe if I give one game to my friend, we both can play multiplayer, right? So right now in my account I have like 99.77 rupees. Yes, I didn't round it up, but I thought maybe if I send a gift to my friend and pay the rest of the amount through net banking or any other payment options, it would disappear. I thought like it would disappear, right? Hold on a second. It turns out that's not the case. It's actually asking me for round figure amount, and it's not actually included that small pennies. Then what's the point of all this, right? That's when I got another idea. I decided to go inside the stream inventory, and I have lot of trading cards. Well, we will actually get these trading cards by purchasing a games on stream and playing it. So definitely you may have the trading cards inside your stream inventory. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sell this trading card for round figure amount. I know this trading card has more value, but I deliberately selling it for low price just to round figure that amount. Let's just say 100 pennies is 1 rupees. I will calculate the subtraction amount of 177. So I will get the answer. I will sell that trade card for that amount and it will be round figured instantly. Cool. Now I don't feel like having the pennies. Now I have round figured amount. Whole amount. Actually, now I don't feel like giving that game to my friend. Sorry, in your roof. I'm going to use it for my future purchases. It's summer. Okay. So yeah. So I hope this helps you guys. Feel free to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.